Meet BeBot, the fully electric robot that cleans beaches, gathers data, and serves as an important reminder. Let's get into it. Keeping beaches clean requires a lot of work. Even with a diligent crew of heroic cleaners, some small bits of plastic will still slip through. That's where BeBot comes in. BeBot was developed by marine manufacturer Peralu Marine, and the first American BeBot was purchased by ocean cleanup company 4Ocean.
It's the first 100% electric beach cleaner robot.
Unlike a Roomba, BeBot is not autonomous.
It works with a remote control. The artificial intelligence is not reliable at the moment. On the beach, there are a lot of families. We want to make sure that the BeBot is safe.
A remote operator can control BeBot from up to 300 meters away. As it goes, BeBot sifts through the sand, picking up small bits of trash and leaving a clean strip of beach in its wake.
This sifter has a vibrating tray. It digs in the sand and it vibrates to let the sand through, and at the same time it keeps all the trash.
Because protection of the ecosystem is BeBot's main goal, the design of the robot allows it to maneuver these sensitive areas without causing damage.
We want to make sure that, first of all, like BeBot doesn't cause beach erosion. It runs on tracks. So basically the weight of the BeBot is spread on those tracks. Whereas if you have like a beach cleaning truck or tractor, you have all the weight that's on the wheels, so it puts a lot of pressure on the sand. That's the first thing. The second is BeBot doesn't dig as deep as the traditional beach cleaning machines.
4Ocean says a single BeBot can clean up to 3,000 square meters of beach in an hour. That's 7 basketball courts worth of beach. But BeBot doesn't stop there. As it gathers trash, it can also gather data about what sorts of trash are the most prevalent in a given area.
So we team up with universities, and what they do is they analyze and quantify the trash that we collect. If you want to convince people to change their habits, you need to show them facts. First, we can change behaviors, or at least try to change behaviors. And the second thing also is we can put some pressure on the public authorities to change the laws when it comes to single-use plastics.
The target buyers for BeBot right now are hotels, resorts, and municipalities. The hope is that in addition to cleaning up after us, BeBot will also be a firm reminder of the persistence of plastics and other pollution damaging our precious marine ecosystems.
BeBot is a constant reminder for the people that we have a problem of littering.